vlog. Say hi, vlog.
Hi.
Where are we going? Do you know where we're going?
To Bohol.
Wow, okay. So, bored na kami. Ay, hindi pa pala.
To London.
Papasok pa kami. How about you? Eat waffles forever or eat pancakes forever?
Pancakes.
Pancakes? Really?
Pancakes are like more juicier that I
Tita! Add mo muna bago mag-ever. S'mores forever and ever.
Take over. Wala ka nang magagawa.
Ayun, kaming tatlo na naman, mga perfect.
Super perfect talaga.
Nagsama-sama.
For real.
Right. Dalawang perfect naglalakad sa airport.
Next time, Hong Kong na.
Yes.
Yeah.
But legit yun In fairness In fairness In fairness, legit siya. Hindi siya delulunes. Bibili lang kami toothbrush doon.
True. Yun ang aming dream before.
Sino kasama natin kausap yun?
Nope.
Ano yun? Teka. Hindi. Iwan kayo dyan. Bala kayo.
Cut off ang sana.
So, ayun. Tapos, after nito, ibang destination.
Si Papa,
Ang
ayan.
hirap. Ang hirap niyong kasama.
Ayan si Papa.
Takbo siya. What happened? What happened?
Late siya.
So, kakalapag lang namin. Gabi kasi yung flight. And na-delay din ng 1 hour. So, yeah. Okay, we just landed.
We just landed, guys.
Yeah, in Bohol.
Bohol.
So, andito na kami guys. And here's the beach. Di man lang ako nakapag-retouch. Sobrang oily ko na.
Kaya mo ba? Bani yan. Huwag niyong
Huwag nyong hinahamon.
art cup. Hindi siya worth it sa 150. Pero for the experience, parang okay naman. Ano lang siya na speak scoop?
Ayan. So, naghahanap kami ng ibang hotel. Kasi yung hotel na pinagsistayan namin, okay naman siya. Pero grabe yung dadaanan. Kung nakita nyo naman kanina, as in like super dilim and malayo sa beach.
Achievement!
Yes! Nasa Bohol na kami! McDonald's!
Vincent, meron sa Agora niyan. Ganda na upo ni Ate Shana sa gilid, oh.
Hirap na hirap.
Dito may diskuhan.
Hi, vlog!
Guys.
Oh, what do you want to say?
So today we're gonna do the room tour in our hotel in Bohol. Hey guys, so here's the room tour. So here's the entrance. So we're gonna start. At the entrance. Here's the entrance, and we're gonna walk inside. And then we have the toilet, but I can't go there because somebody's literally showering. Oh, now he's done. Hey!
Yes.
So here's the bathroom. So we're in the bathroom right now. And here's the beds. So yeah. So bye.
Say hindi.
Hindi.
Say something in Tagalog.
Ano ba yan? Inat yan?
Talagang mga ganyan yung Tagalog words na alam mo.
Yes po.
Mm.
Salamat po.
Mm.
So somebody has Oh wait, already has a good massage over there. So maybe it's time. Okay. Bye guys. Going to the beach.
Yeah, and this is our swimming outfit.
Yeah.
Morning. We're going to Balikasag Island. Good morning, Bohol. Good morning, Bohol.
We're here.
Yeah. Hey. So we're gonna go to one of these boats.
Yeah, and then
And then we're gonna do island hopping.
yeah, and we rented a GoPro so we can take videos underwater.
Go to the boat.
Yeah.
So we gotta walk to the ocean.
Yeah, like with the
Oh my
seaweed.
God.
I don't like seaweed. But did you know I'm a mermaid?
Yeah, mermaid.
Yeah, period.
What the?
So, lilipat na lang kami ng boat kasi ayaw mag-start nung makina ng boat namin.
Ayan na siya.
Ako na to. So, lilipat kami ng boat kasi ayaw mag-start ng makina.
As in, mga ilang minutes tayo doon? A good 30 minutes, guys?
Oh, para mga almost 30 minutes.
Teka lang. 30 minutes kami doon, Mike. Hindi siya kayo.
Ano, te? Kamusta experience? Experience? Yan. Final na ba talaga? Hey guys! So, ayun, yung phone ko nandun sa waterproof bag something. And second time namin dito sa Bohol, pero nung first time namin wala na akong maalala. Malayo yung kung saan nag-park yung boat. See? Ganito yung atake niya. Parang mga... Kunyari daw video. So, we're here in Balikasag Island.
A swim.
And
Take pictures.
yeah. So, mag-snorkel na kami. And nag-aantay na lang kami kasi yung ticket. We're gonna go to the boat. So, you're going to take risk today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have to conquer your fear. Conquer your fear.
Your fear.
Yeah, me. I'm not gonna.
You said that it's caught on tape. Kasi you have sensitive skin. Yeah. Yeah, like super sensitive skin. And it will burn.
At least I'm brave.
Yeah, at least you're brave.
Brave enough to get more active. That.
Down, sir. Ulo din, ulo. Lupo, sir. Lupo.
Does it hurt? Masaya ka. See, because you took risk. Say hello. Just here. Just be updated.
So we're in the ocean right now. I'm panicking.
You're panicking, don't panic.
What is the ocean here?
Then don't touch it.
Balikasag Island. Balikasag Island.
But are you enjoying it?
Yeah, I'm swimming this.
Yeah, really.
And I also saw big.
And you're not burning your skin.
Yeah, exactly. Only my eyes.
Yeah, because ino-open mo yung eyes mo.
Yeah.
Okay, go.
This is Magnus best snorkeling ever. Magnus, right?
Do you agree?
Look how fun.
Wow, it's very
Yeah.
clear. It's crystal clear. The water is crystal clear.
Yeah.
Others. I love Bohol.
It's a turtle under us.
Lilipat kami pwesto kasi marami pang turtle daw doon. Grabe. happy?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Pen.
Ay, paano mag-alala?
It's perfect.
Yeah.
We saw lots of turtles.
Anong isda yung kaya?
Yeah.
See you later.
So, ayun lang nga guys. Kakain lang natin.
Yeah, you can take it out again.
Hey, so we're done eating and change outfit. So this video actually is a collab. Plug your YouTube channel. Oh.
But I'm not gonna say it.
Why? So paano mo ipa-plug? Secret lang pala. So dapat
Because
hindi.
I have no videos.
Oh, well that's fine.
Good morning. Ay, sorry.
Lipat na kaming Virgin
Ayan.
Island.
Yes, I guess.
So this is how the water is.
Hi.
Ano ba?
Ganito?
Video ba?
Or picture? So we're done with the island hopping. This is the fit. She cute. Tinransfer lang yung pictures from the GoPro na na-rent namin, which is 800 pesos. Wala sa mudang co-vlogger. Gonna go back to the hotel. Yeah.
So now we're gonna go to a trip. Right now, we're gonna go to a restaurant.
See you there.
See you there. Hey. So we're actually walking right now.
Yeah, we're walking right now.
We're heading to the restaurant, but
Yeah.
I don't know which one.
Yeah.
We're gonna eat at this restaurant called I would rate it 8 out of 10.
We're done eating. You at the hotel.
Wow!
What? A different person.
Iba daw sabi ni ate.
Okay, we're here at the hotel.
Yeah, we're gonna freshen up first.
We got a shower because we are gonna because we got a.
Yeah, we got it.
Okay, so here's the room tour. There's the beds behind me, and then if we walk in here, here's the bathroom.
But Adishana's there.
But somebody's in there, so we can't go in there. A door here that is randomly.
Taray te. X-Men ka. We're, yeah, we just woke up just like this.
So now we're gonna do the land tour.
Yeah.
In the van right now,
Yeah.
we're gonna get Jollibee.
Weed. Show me! My
So
goodness!
now we're gonna get Jollibee and eat. So we are at the first destination right now.
Yeah, I think it's called Blood
The
Compact.
statue is
Oh my god! Not my phone!
We are in the second location right now. We are at the church right now. This is a tour right now. There's a creepy kid right there.
Not the creepy
a house right there. Here's like a ceremony or something. Ceremony? Yeah, that's pronounced most. Yeah. So yeah, that's the tour around the church, and there's also a head right there. Yeah.
Go!
Okay, so now we're in the third location. Hello, Barney.
Yeah. Yeah. Parang hindi naman buhay. Yung mata, oh.
Relax ka lang, relax.
Bilisan nyo na.
1, 2, 3, bakit? Solo kayong lahat.
Yeah, letter.
Hi guys, so now I'm eating hot dog. Okay, hi guys. I have Skyflakes and some Chocomocho cookies. This looks like cream o. Never tasted it out the can. Then we have Skyflakes. So this is the Skyflake. Let's try it.
Wow. What's the rating?
It's really good. 7 out of 10.
Wow, 7. Why? 7 out of 10 ka.
Because it's hard. Because it's hard. And sometimes you can have like it stuck in your teeth. So yeah. And if you have braces, RIP braces. I can't believe I can.
Where are you now?
Relax.
Where are you now?
We are at the cable car.
Yeah. We're at the cable car right now.
Yeah. Okay, we just came right now.
Yeah.
We were at the cable car.
Yeah.
It was super scary.
Super scary.
Not that scary, but a little bit scary.
Yeah. Mag-iintay kami ng 30 minutes para makabalik ulit.
Yeah, back and forth.
Yeah, back and forth.
So now we're gonna go on the cable ride. That when that one is done, and then we're gonna get it back, and then we're gonna go there. Let's go!
Hey, we're back again sa cable car. Kunyari, smile.
So high up.
Nightmares. Oh my God! Hi guys!
Okay, so now we're at the destination.
Yeah.
We are at Bohol Tertiary. Bro, okay, so here's the Chocolate Hills. It's the last destination. Then we're gonna go back to our hotel.
Yeah, and also we're gonna...
Nope.
What was that?
Bakit? Accidentally. Hold your note. But I mean, we're gonna go there. Yeah, we're gonna use the stairs. 200 plus steps.
200 steps.
Yeah.
So many.
Yeah, let's go.
Already went up all of those stairs.
Yeah.
That was tiring.
Yeah, it's tiring, like super duper.
Now I need to drink all of this water. So we already took our pictures.
Ay! Ganyan yung light. Yan!
There we go.
Ah! Okay. Right.
Yeah, the view is worth it. The view was worth it.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
was so worth it.
Yeah.
The hills were amazing.
But what do you call them?
The Chocolate Hills.
Yeah.
Gonna go down.
Yeah.
So that's gonna take another 2 minutes.
Yeah,
So that
maybe 5 minutes because we're tired.
Yeah.
Wait.
Hold still.
Yeah, there we go. You're touching it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like a basketball. It's the last day here in Bohol, and I'm very sad. We saw the Chocolate Hills, the Tarshin, the Tarshir. We were snorkeling, yes. It was so fun.
Hey guys, grabe, sobrang pawis na ako. So, it's our last day here and now, bumibili na ako ng coffee, bumili rin ako ng mga pasalubong pang iba. Wala kaming activities for today and hindi nakasama yung co-vlogger ko. Si Magnus, hindi siya nakasama kasi may eczema siya. Malala talaga yung skin condition niya. So, sobrang init talaga kaya hindi na siya pinalabas. Now, I'm just waiting for my coffee. Na-discover ko to, dito naglalakad lang kami. So, yeah.
So now we're in the car, in the van, going to the airport. We're going back to Manila. Bye, Bohol. See you later. Like and subscribe. Pound the subscribe button. Pound it. Smash the like button too. Boom. So now we're at the airport right here. So now we just got to go inside the airport. We're gonna board right now. There's the boarding place.
Off to Manila. Bye, Bohol. Did you enjoy? Yeah.
We're back in Manila.
Hi guys, we're at the airport right now. See you later.
See you later. So like and subscribe and comment one.
Comment. See you in Bohol.
Okay.
Please do
bye.
subscribe.
Bye.